Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Grand Theft Auto 5 is not working on your PlayStation 5. Now, the first thing to simply try is just to close down the application by pressing Option on it and then restarting it, or reboot your PlayStation completely and make sure the application is closed. So restart, close all games and app, and restart your PS5. Now, after that, we want to go up to the top here and go to the game once again, press Options on it. Go to upload/download save data. We could always just try downloading the save data from the cloud under console storage right here, or the cloud storage. Just press download, and this should update your PlayStation with a fresh copy of the game data that you have, and then just try launching it. Now, another thing that we could try is going to settings, go down to users and accounts, go down to other, go to the right, go to restore licenses. Now select Grand Theft Auto under here, wherever it is. So just select it, then go to restore. If you have an issue like a lock screen next to the game, this should definitely fix it. So once that is complete, we can go back now, and we can go up to the top and go to network, then go down to settings and go to set up internet connection. Press options on your currently connected internet, go to advanced settings, then scroll on down to DNS settings, switch this to manual, and type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary. Then for the secondary, 8.8.8.4.4, go to OK. And now test your internet connection and see if you're connected. And there's one last thing to try, which I think has helped me the most in the past. And this is when I go up to settings, go down to save data and game app settings right here, and choose the PS4 or PS5 version of Grand Theft Auto. And we want to delete this from our console storage. Now, if you have PlayStation Plus, you won't have to worry about backing up your save data because it should be on the cloud. And then we can just download it again in the future like we just did on that one screen I showed you ahead of time. And we just want to locate Grand Theft Auto under here now. And then we actually want to delete it. So I'm under the cloud storage right now. So I want to go over to delete. So let's go to delete. And then we can find Grand Theft Auto from this list, and we can delete it off our PlayStation completely. Now, when you do this, you are deleting your single player progress, so make sure it's backed up to the cloud ahead of time. But I notice if I delete it and then I just go to the online, it's going to download a fresh copy of the online service, and it's going to sync up to my account, and I'm able to once again launch the game. So sometimes I'll just get to the loading screen, and then nothing will happen, and I'll just keep loading, and deleting my save data is what fixes that. And I can always just re-download it again in the future once I get this to sync back up. So just come back here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.